get ready with me for another meeting. I have at least one virtual meeting, so I kind of have to look presentable. Just put on a bit of my Kosas concealer, which is pretty much my skin tone. A little bit goes a long way. Today we're actually meeting with an agency to see their capabilities and what they are able to help with. We're always looking for ways we can outsource and collaborate with experts in their field. This agency specializes in branding, awareness, all of that. So I'm excited to hear what they have to say. I did work out this morning, which felt so nice. I do Pilates 3 times a week. This is Persona Dune as always. Lots of fun and exciting things are happening for Persona in 2025 that I'm like so beyond excited for, but also slightly nervous. I'm just excited to kind of take you guys along a little bit more. Gosh, I love the glow the sticks give my skin. I went to bed with all of my earrings last night and I was definitely a bit uncomfortable, but you know when you're super sleepy and you're like, I'm not moving. Putting on a little bit of a bubble powder on the apples of my cheeks. I usually have Huggies on when I go to bed because I definitely don't want my 4th one to close, especially. Love this shark tooth, I think it's called. This is from Rainbow K. It's so uncomfortable. So I have these like rubber ends so that it doesn't poke me at night. These meetings usually start with people asking me to tell them a little bit about the brand and how it started. I was talking to another founder recently and she was like, don't you feel like that story is so old in your head and you're just like, please ask me something else? I'm like, yes, at times, but it definitely helps them to like learn about the brand and the origins. It usually goes like this for me. So I try to keep it super short. The brand started about 7 years ago and it was because I truly felt like there was something missing from the market, and that was a neutral eyeshadow palette designed specifically for brown eyes. And the reason for that is because I was a makeup artist and primarily my clientele had brown eyes. We found out that actually majority of the people in the world have brown eyes. At the time it was like close to 70% of people have brown eyes, and why isn't there a palette specifically designed for them? And so because I went to makeup school and I also went to art school, I always loved color theory. I decided to create my own sort of palette. I give a shorter version of this, but I'm kind of giving you a little bit of a longer version now. The identity palette was born, and that's how Persona was born, by the way, if you didn't know. It was an instant success. We sold out really quickly and Ulta came right away wanting to carry our products, which was such a pinch me moment because we were such a new brand. But it definitely helped that I had a beautiful community on YouTube that just were excited for this product and were rooting for me. So the identity palette is what launched Persona, a neutral eyeshadow palette designed for brown eyes. Here's the identity palette if you are not familiar with it, and these are all of the colors. Honestly, still is my favorite palette. Not because I made it, I truly am not even trying to be biased, but because it has every color that I would need for my eye color. It's great for every day, it's great for events because it has equal amounts of mattes and shimmers. I usually keep the identity palette story slightly on the shorter side just so I can focus on what the brand is really about, which is we focus on skin-friendly formulas, very easy to use products, and I always say you can use our products with or without a mirror. That's how easy they are to use. We are 100% fragrance free because I do believe that fragrance doesn't belong in makeup. I touch on that and the struggles I've had with acne and sensitive skin throughout the years, how much I care so much about what goes into my products. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with Bubble, effortlessly sort of sheer pink. It's not your typical lip balm, it's an actual mask. It's the finished look. Let me know what you think of the look, and if you like these chatty get ready with me videos. I'll see you next time.